could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitch. Good morning, Kick. Hey, Landon, how's it going?
I got a funny story. So,
Uh,
oh,
okay.
your mic's a little robotic.
Yeah, my mic is funny. I'm going to work on it over the weekend. I've got a whole new setup. I'm using a new mixer, a new mic, everything, and I haven't got the settings right. So hopefully,
Oh, okay.
I mean, you can hear me, right? It's just different,
Yeah, no.
unfortunately.
No, it's not that bad. I just thought you were having some line troubles. But anyway, so I um I was going I finished up trading really early yesterday and heading down to just a Panera coffee shop. And I go to sit down, and I see the guy in front of me has a laptop and a tablet open with Trading View on both screens. I just kind of, I didn't want to be creepy, but I sat there and I watched him just for a minute because I was really curious what's he doing. And he's got all these different crypto tickers up, and I go and I tap on his shoulder. And he tenses up, and I'm like, "Hey, what are you trading, man?" And he was like, "Oh shit, I'm just messing with crypto," and we just started talking. I told him what I do with futures and just going back and forth. He was a really cool guy, but he was a bit older, or not older, but he's like mid 30s or so, or early 30s, and
Yeah, yeah.
but we were talking, and he looked and acted exactly like any of the guys you would see on like The Wolf of Wall Street, like the stereotypical Wall Street trader, like super dilated pupils, talks really fast, a little shaky, just kind of looking around, like just not. He was really just didn't look stable, and he's
Oh
talking to
my
me,
gosh.
and but he's talking about crypto, so I'm like trying not to laugh because it's so funny. Because he's sitting there, he's like, "Yeah, man, and with this whole Bitcoin ETF thing, I'm telling you, I don't know how they're gonna be able to get the shares in, and it's not gonna mess with the finite amount of coin." And he's just did for like a good 30 minutes. And we're just going back and forth talking. He's really nice. I actually I got him to download Discord, and I invited him into the server because he traded. So he worked. He has a finance degree, and he worked for J.P. Morgan for a while.
Yeah.
And he says that he has a company. I don't remember exactly what his company did or does, but he has a company now that their client is J.P. Morgan. I guess their only client is J.P. Morgan. So he kind of explained it to where he worked for JP Morgan as I guess a trader or something, and then he left to start his own company and so that he wasn't under JP Morgan, but then ended up JP Morgan was his only client that he could get, so it really didn't work for him. He just now makes less money, and so he said he's just been trying to get into crypto. So yeah, I just funny to find him there and just him be the exact stereotypical finance bro. But yeah, his name is oh crap, it's MG Audino. I don't think he's said anything in here. I told him about what you guys do in the morning. How, you guys are always here, and I was like, you should really look into futures because the first thing he said, he was like, well, I'm just trading on paper because I don't really want to risk money yet. And I was like, I got a great thing for you then.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's
yeah.
see if he
That's
shows
pretty
up.
cool.
Yeah.
Good morning, Aqua Wolf. Good morning, Chief Lock A.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning, Phils.
Good morning, Vietnam. Did you guys that gold trade? That gold movement? News? Am I?
Gold's rolling, gold's rolling. Looking to see if we can get something here.
Oh man, I got something. I traded news.
There you go. There you go.
This is how it went for me. Don't show the stream.
No, they can't see anything. It's here.
I don't want the Judge Judy walking on my door. Look at that. This was news. This was my trades during news.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It should go down still, but it's got to go up first to collect some liquidity. I'm thinking like 40 pips or so.
Yeah.
You know, something like that. There's some hard resistance up there, but actually my indicator is in the long right now to 2015.55. I might enter that for FOMO reasons. Okay, what stop loss is it using? 2010-18. This is not financial advice. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, anyways, like I was saying. Dude, it's insane. I can't even tell you how insane it is. It's so insane. You know how yesterday I said, how much did I say I was up yesterday percent-wise? It was like, I think it was like 300%.
Yeah, I think it was something like that. Yeah.
Now it's 800%.
That's good. That's good.
Night, and we haven't slept yet.
You haven't been to sleep yet? I figured you slept because I didn't see you super active in the chat.
That's
while I was sleeping. So I was like, man, I hope you got some sleep. Now you tell me you didn't. Come on now. Get some sleep, Bills. Get some sleep.
I looked at the charts in like 12 hours. This is how you make 700% or 800% in 3 days, guys.
Yeah. Money never sleeps, pal.
Okay, and trade on the 1 minute. This is not financial advice or psychology advice. Pretty bad for my circadian rhythm. It's okay. We're gonna take a break after today. As in, like, we're only gonna spend like 1 hour
full
a
pour
day
Friday
trading.
coming up. Come on now.
Are you serious? Okay,
Friday.
fine. Only if we're doing the coin flip. Are we gonna do the coin flip challenge on
No.
Full Port Friday?
No, not yet. I'm gonna get some counts together to do that, but I want to make a big deal out of it. So I want plenty of lead time. Well, I want to make sure that we have plenty, because I'm gonna have to pay for these accounts. Essentially, just throw the money away. So I want to make a big deal out of it. Have enough time that we have plenty of viewers. I don't want to just come on tomorrow and have 4 people like right now in the VC and nobody on YouTube. I mean, I want to build a audience and then we'll do it. So I might give like a couple 3-week, heads up so that we can actually build viewers, because I found out in here that in the Discord it seems like it takes at least 2-3 weeks for anybody to realize what we got going on. So I want to make sure there's plenty of people to see it, because what will happen is they'll say, "Oh, well, I wasn't here. I never got to see that. Can you do it again?" No, I would have liked you to be here the first time, but thank you. So that's how it always seems to work. So
That's hilarious. Oh my god, did it just... Okay, it just got out of its... I'm so stupid. Why did I open a long? Okay, my bot got out of the long. I'm getting out of the long. I'm keeping my shorts. I'm gonna stop FOMO trading. I've only made like 500 trades tonight. Probably. Something like
Only?
that. Not even. No,
Only
not like...
500.
Probably like 20 or 30. I lost. Let me count.
Let me count, he said.
Today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See? Only 30. So not 20, 30. I was close.
That's a couple. That's all I know. That is a couple.
Now I'm gonna smoke this roach and then go to bed.
You need to get some sleep. I do not blame you there at all. You definitely need to get some sleep.
Yeah, I gotta be awake, and I gotta go somewhere let me think, 8, 9, 10. Oh, only like 6 hours. In 6 hours.
Only like 6 hours.
Okay. Damn, that's wild. Oh, I broke the matchstick.
Good morning, Jop. Oh, Landon left. I was here for a minute.
All right. I finished it.
Good morning, SA95Z.
Dude, it sounds like someone's pronouns.
Yeah.
What they identify as. Oh man, I'm looking at opening a long. I know I'm gonna regret it.
Yeah. Oh no.
It's... That's wild. My bot's in the line. It's definitely gonna push up to test 2014. Come on, guys. Come on. 2015.
You got the TPO running, G-Flock, eh? Did you learn about the B's and the P's yet?
2008.72 is a good TP for a short on gold XAU with a stop loss of 2013.43. This is not financial advice. I'm going to sleep now. Good night. Good riddance. You take
All
that
right.
trade, you're gonna be a billionaire.
Only a billionaire? Jeez.
Yeah, they're broke.
Good night, Phils. Have a good one.
You too. Especially G Floki.
He's gone already, G-Flock, eh? Alright guys, I put in a new prop firm too. I don't know how many of you guys keep up with these things or don't keep up with these things. It is trade day and they have no requirements basically, like minimum requirements for withdrawals and things like that. This is why I added them. So whoever doesn't have the roll, you might want to go up into candles and rolls and get the roll so when they have a sale. But it seems like they're going to be pretty good. We'll use them. We'll try to run an eval through them and see exactly how they work here on stream too, if you guys want. But they should be pretty decent.
Is this for futures or for forex as well? You know?
Yeah, it's just futures. It's just futures. Futures. I mean, I don't know if you trade futures or forex. I'm gonna assume you trade forex. If
yeah, it's forex.
Yeah. I mean, there's advantages to trading futures. I don't know if you've looked into it, but
I haven't actually.
yeah, I mean, futures you don't get spread. You just pay your commission. So essentially, if you're doing like a mini contract, which is what I trade, but I mean, depends on what you trade. Some people trade minis, some people trade micros, but you just pay a commission rather than getting spread, which is nice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bro, does gold goes down or stays above the line?
Say what now?
Hello?
Yeah,
I say gold, does it go up or it stays on the line?
What are you talking about here? I'm looking for it to go down because we've got no bottom
Yes.
wick.
Okay, okay, perfect.
So I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for a short myself, but
I am in a short trade now. I'm waiting.
yep, I'm thinking of taking a short myself here. I'm still trying to watch it. I want to see how it does right here. I would like to see a top wick here first. That's my only problem with it. You see how we don't have a top wick on this candle?
Yes.
I expect it to come in and grab a top wick first. So that's why I'm not in a short currently. The 30-minute as well. I expect us to come up and put a top wick on this candle. So even here, all the time frames, we don't have a top wick on that candle. Doesn't mean that it has to get it right here, but I would like to see that top wick put in before going short myself. Again, not financial advice, guys. If you're already in a short, by all means, if your strategy says to short, by all means, you should already be in. For me, I don't like sitting through a ton of drawdown, so I wait for these things to play out before I get involved. We have rejected this area several times, though. Good morning, Manpour.
Hello there.
We're just talking about a short here, but a little confused because we've got no top wick here, so I expect if this flips and drives that more than likely a short's the way to go, but I would have liked it to come up and grab a top wick here first, but we may not have that opportunity. See how the hours wick lists up here? A half an hour, I mean, on every time frame we go down, it is, but we've got no bottom wick as well. All these wicks up just look like, you know, tons of rejection to me. I feel like once it flips and starts running down, it should probably go, but I'm a little concerned with, I wish it would have came up here first. I wish it would have came up and at least tested this a bit. Again, just a thought for you guys. Good morning, Burb. If you want to be involved in this, you know, taking the short isn't the isn't the worst thing here. I just would love to see it come up here. All time frames look exactly the same. So,
what are the chances of gold going up? I mean, like to 20, 50 or something like that. Would you say that it's possible?
yeah, is it possible to go up? Oh yeah, I mean it's always possible to go up. Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Bio. We're looking right now at gold. I know you don't trade gold, so it don't matter. But I'm sitting here looking at gold right now. I would like. What time is it? We got 8 more minutes. I would like to see the wick here recovered before we break the lows and move down. We need a bottom wick and a top wick. The bottom wick puts us in this range to where we can run down. The top wick's just into resistance. So I like the short, but I'd like to see the liquidity taken first.
Buy above closure. So
what do you say, Mr. Bio?
I'm just reading what you have there. So
why are you so...
Closure...
Hold on. Let me turn you up. The problem is when you start out in the morning, you're really low. By mid-afternoon, you're really loud. Okay, now go ahead.
So, so see how it says buy above closure R2BO? What is that?
Range 2. I'm looking for exactly what we talked about yesterday. I'll get a room together real quick too if you want to share. If you don't, you don't have to, but I'll go ahead and put it there just in case anybody wants to. Because I forgot again this morning. Not good at that. There you go. There's the link if anybody wants. Hey, Burb. He's back. He's gone. I don't know if Burb's here or gone. You're back? Maybe? Maybe, Burb.
Huh?
Burb says he's back. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if he's back or not.
There's nothing to trade on NQ right now. I'm just waiting. I looked at it this morning. I was like,
I haven't looked at it yet. Yeah, here's NQ what I'm looking at here. Yeah, I'm not messing with NQ right this second, but here's the chart anyway, guys. Could be another rejection up there.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm looking at it. I would love for this one to be to close exactly here in the 30-minute. And for us to just close there and then break. And for the next handle to just shoot down. That's what I want. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Huh? We have news at 10:15. Not big news.
Hey, Mr. Y. Good morning, sir. Oops. What's the plan for today? We're just watching. We got a no top wick on this candle. And no bottom wick on current candle. I would like to see it come up and put a top wick on the last candle. And then come down, but it's not going to. We don't have enough time now. We only got 3 minutes left, so we'll see how this closes and see what we can do here. Look at that orange folder. was talking about the new prop firm too, Mr. Bio and Manpour. Hey, Expo Nomez, how are you this morning? I put in trade day. You guys can go look at their rules and stuff. It's down in the putting channel. From what I see, you can get paid out faster than any other prop firm. That's why I put it in. So you guys look at it, see what you think. But I've been working on getting with them for a little while now, and from what it seems, all you got to do is pass, and you can get payouts pretty quickly, a whole lot faster than any of the rest of the prop firms out there. No rules, a 200 plus, nothing else. All you have to do is it's a minimum of 500 withdrawal, and you can withdraw as many times as you want. There's no rules to it. And seems pretty decent. We're gonna look and see and work with them and see how it goes.
That's sweet. All right.
There's our close. Let's see here, guys. Trade day doesn't allow South Africa either? Oh my gosh, I don't understand why these companies don't allow South Africa. Well, yeah, I see that. I don't understand why some of these companies don't allow and some of them do. It doesn't make any sense.
They're racist, that's why.
Looks like you're doing good, Mr. Y. Well, for you guys that can use them, I'm going to try to run a eval through them probably and see how they work, but it seems like payouts should be quicker than any of the rest of the ones that we work with thus far. So it looks like you can get it pretty immediate. Yeah. Blah, 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 yeah. The problem is I really don't understand why I don't get it. But yeah, I realize Apex does the same thing. I don't know why. I can't wrap my head around why they don't allow South Africa. Yeah, that's harsh. I agree. Verb, jeez. That's harsh, that guy. Vic, he's harsh sometimes.
That's weird.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stand from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test.
Yeah, Nas looks to be jumping around. I just looked at the chart. Verb, I agree with you. It's just kind of bouncing around. I don't know what's doing here. Kind of ugly. I agree.
Somebody who could save him instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I want to be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. I could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, I'll be spreading out.
Good morning, Paul.
Morning, Melody. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Oh, picking snow done. Food's not good.
Yeah, I saw there was a whole bunch of snow. You just need to move down here with me, Paul, in Florida.
I'm working on it.
Yeah, we get sunshine all the time and never get snow.
Sunshine.
Yeah, that sounds like pure heaven to me, especially at this point in time.
Then you get Floridians. Yeah, exactly. You get Floridians too, Burb. It's the best part. Hey, G-Flock, hey. G-Flock, you need to come down here and do that yourself. Yes, I get hurricanes, Vanpor.
I just noticed we don't have an hour. We don't have a wick on the the last hour.
Yep. Yep. On gold too. If you're looking at Nasdaq, yeah. That's what I'm waiting for. But yeah, hurricanes, lots of hurricanes. We get at least a hurricane a year. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Sometimes even more. So hurricanes are prevalent. But they normally aren't bad. Like in Kansas, we have tornadoes, and tornadoes are pretty bad. So one hurricane a year as opposed to 320 wet gray days a year. Yeah, we're the sunshine state. We get a lot of sun.
Did I miss anything yesterday, reality?
We showed impulse entry yesterday, and there was a setup that played out perfectly. I was showing it, explaining how it would play, and then I had my microphone stopped working. I don't exactly understand it. I had to actually reset my headset, change my dongle, like it's got a USB dongle, and I had to take it out, put it back in, and by the time I looked back at the charts, it played out just as we were talking about. But so, did you miss anything? Just learning. That's about it. I mean, I didn't actually take a trade, no, but you probably could have took at least one, if not two. G-Flock caught the second one, and Mr. Y caught the first one. So, I mean, of course, you're not trading it right now, so, I mean, it's more of
No, still
learning.
learning.
Yeah.
Yep.
Apex did put, because you weren't here yesterday, I was going to tell you that Apex did put out the 80% sell too. So it's on the Apex channel if you want to check it out. And 1 day to pass. So the 80% sell is until the 31st, and the 1 day to pass is until tomorrow. It's through Friday.
Wait, is the 1 day to pass 80%?
Yes, it's 80% off right now, and the 1 day to pass is 80%. I mean, yes, because you can buy your account right now and pass in 1 day. Yep. So you should have started yesterday, because you had yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So if you want to do 1 day to pass, start buying evals, pass them. You can get as many accounts as you want. Anybody that has an Apex account can pass in 1 day right now too. If they have an Apex account and they pass today or tomorrow, they are passed. They don't have to do the 7-day trading anymore within those days, right? Yep. Week gone again. It seems like they go by so fast, Mr. Y. I don't know where these weeks go. Seems like all it is weekend after weekend.
We got news in a minute.
Alright. See how it works. Vic's not even in here. I swear I've noticed, guys, that during live streams, the more I sit here and spend time in live streams, the more we have nobody talking in the trading chat. Everybody talks in the live, right here in the live trading chat. So there's no content over there on the regular side of the server. Which is kind of crazy, but that seems to be how it works. So if I spend 6-7 hours in here like I normally do, then we go 6-7 hours with no chat at all over on the chat side of the server. I saw it yesterday. You can tell when my streams are. You can go to the live stream where I post the live stream notification yesterday, and then you can see when we stop the stream, because then people start talking over there again. Oh, that's cool. Somebody else joined? That works, man. Poor, that works. Yeah, I'm trying to get as many people as I can to join. Got some big things coming up here. Next couple months. Here in the next couple months, there's going to be big stuff. So, oh, it didn't work. Why'd that not work, man, poor? What was that, Mr. Bio?
What happened?
To show the stats again? How do you do it? What do you push? There you go. Nice. Good morning, Aiden.
Good morning.
So yeah, over the next few months, something like that. I'll put out a bunch of announcements. We're gonna have some big things going on the server, a lot of stuff. So I got a lot of stuff we've been working on here behind the scenes. So hopefully it'll be a good time. So. A lot better than this market. Now, what is going on? It's moving sideways. Nothing.
Yo, bro, I have some sell orders. Should I close them or let them roll?
That is completely up to you. I mean, as of right now, she's not doing anything. I mean, it's not. She's just.
I know it's completely to me, but I ask you for advice. Not advice, I ask you for tips.
Yeah.
And you are learning me, so that's why I'm asking. I know it's on me, but I asking to you so that you can learn me.
Yeah, I mean, depending on where you have them at, I'm not looking at buys until we break this level right here, get up here and break above. So essentially, I want to get in and then test it and then break it. So right now, I wouldn't be too concerned with it going against you yet. But if we get up into this area, I'd be considering it. Just as well, we can come down here and put a wick on this candle and continue to the downside. So I hate to tell you to close them. You know what I mean? There's just no clear sign of where we're going right now. For me, I wouldn't be in a trade at all. But at the same time, if you're already in it, you don't really have any reason to get out per se either, right? So now
I stay, no problem.
Yeah. I mean, now if we get up above here and we grab support here, not just put a wick on this candle, because I expect to put a wick on this candle at some point in time, right? But if it's just a wick above like this and a close below, you're still safe. But if we get up and we start trading in this range here, I'd get out of themselves because chances are we're going to be pushing up. But as of right now, there's no clear direction. So, I mean, we may just run sideways like this all day. So I hate for you to get out of a sale, you know what I mean, that there's no reason to drop the sale currently. So I just hold it right now and see what happens. But if we get to a point to where it's time to start looking for a buy, you probably ought to get out of the sale. I mean, just my advice, you know.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Juke, I hope that your stop loss will become my liquidity since I'm in the long.
Oh my gosh.
No hard feelings.
Yeah, I do not see a clear direction at all currently for either one of you, sadly, but we'll see. We'll see where she goes.
Yeah. Why is that sad? Ziflik, why is that sad?
Yeah, what's wrong with... There's nothing wrong with trading. Everybody has their own... Yeah, everybody has their own strat. Nothing wrong with anybody's strat, just as long as they stick to it.
Since other blocks are like pretty cool, like they're consistent, and it's not like an ICT or something. They have been proven to work. So.
Asia is the most dangerous one? What? Asia doesn't even move. What is Vic talking about?
I think he means like if we plan to long something, like Asia usually dumps, so then New York usually buys. So he may be referring to that system.
Gotcha.
Which isn't always the case, obviously, and like, yeah, but every beginner trader, when we start like watching YouTube videos and everything, one of the things that we learn is that Asia dumps and then New York pumps.
Yep, that makes sense.
I'm gonna go APK for a bit, so
Alright.
I'll just talk to you later.
Have a good one, and we will talk to you in a bit. We are stuck. It is slow. What is going on, guys? Are you looking for longs on NQ, Mr. Bio? Is that what you were looking for? Or?
What? Let me see.
We get up above here. Had a pretty good rejection to the downside. That's why I'm asking you.
I would like a close above 17,045.
Okay.
So
And I got 4.0, so I'm right there in the same range as you. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
And
I'm back.
I would like a closure below. Just break below the current lower high, higher low that we have. Just break below that, and I can be looking for shorts.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll show you what I'm looking for right now.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Let me just send a picture real quick.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, see you in a bit. Man, poor, I already missed him, I think. Gosh dang it. 10:23. 10:29, no. Yeah.
Because, okay, the red zone, ignore the red zone, but the red zone is...
The red zone's the whole zone, but yeah, okay.
So, like, no, I'm saying, like if, for example, like, in the middle of the red zone, it's just going to consolidate. But once we leave the red zone, my stop loss, like, when I enter, I have to make sure my stop loss is in the red zone.
Gotcha.
Because this is going to be a pretty big support. If we can break above this, it's going to be a really, really big support. Just because this is where we've been rejecting for the past week.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, we've been stuck in this range on Nas. You're exactly right.
However, isn't true that the more times we tap support, the weaker it becomes?
That's what people say. Yeah, I mean.
So, like, if we continue to tap it, then eventually we break. So.
That's what they say, because what you're supposed to look at those areas as, and again, it's all in how you look at the market, right? But what you're supposed to be looking at is the fact that it comes up, and the reason that it rejects here is because sell orders come in, right? So every time it hits this, what they'll tell you, right? And again, you take it for whatever it is, but this is what they say, yes, is that the big money, the whales, however you want to look at it, they have their orders placed here, and they only get their orders filled a little at a time. So when it hits this, their orders are filled, their sell orders. Comes back up, hits it, the orders are filled, their sell orders, it goes back down, and each time it hits it, it's gathering more orders. So essentially, you run out of orders. So
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I don't
Got
like
the
this.
highs there. Yeah, I don't like any of this, Mr. Biofex. I agree with you 100%. This price action is...
This whole week is
Yes.
very bad.
Yep, I agree. Less than desirable, to say the least.
Yeah, I think it's because of the US bank holiday on Monday, and that kind of like set the tone for the week.
Yeah.
So I believe that like prices didn't have the chance to reach a target, so they could like, you know, explode or whatever, distribute in the following days. So I don't know.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah, I don't like this at all, bro.
By the way, how does the US election usually affect the stock market or the price of the US dollar? Do you have any idea, guys?
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. What you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? And what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
I want to check US 30. I want to try US 30. 30.
Yeah, US 30 ain't bad. It's $5 a tick, $5 a point, as it moves by the dollar. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I used to trade US 30 a little bit.
US 30.
YM?
YM?
Yep.
Well, I think Nasdaq's gonna move actually. Hold up.
Yeah, I mean, it's... We got another rejection of the bottom side. Now the, now she's moving up. So, I mean, she very well could on this 30-minute candle.
Now, the thing is that we started on the 5-minute. If we break above this, now what can happen is we can get such a massive candle that we don't have room to set up a stop loss.
So you're just going to trade without a stop loss. I mean, that sounds like
no,
something.
That's really, really bad. Bro, if news hits or
Just
something,
playing
or
with you.
random invisible news goes down like 200 ticks, bro, you're done.
What is Nas doing, Burb? It is just bouncing around. That's what Nas is doing currently.
Now, if we can get a rejection here, you know, a good short back down to maybe 700. You know.
Yep.
If we can get a rejection here.
If this gold starts closing above here, Job, I mean, right now you're fine still, but let me look at your... I'm a little concerned about your position, I'll be honest with you. Where'd you enter at, Job? Is he not here no more?
What happened?
Oh, I was trying to figure out where Job entered that short. He said he was short. I was just trying to figure out where he actually entered at. I was looking at spot to see where it's at because I'm a little concerned with that position. What
Reality, it doesn't matter if it becomes my liquidity. It doesn't matter what he had.
Yeah, I'm trying to get him out without losing too much. I expected a top wick on this candle. We talked about this early on. So we expect a top wick here, so I do expect a top wick. The thing is, if we start closing above here and finding support here, he doesn't want to be in that short anymore because we are more than likely going to go up. So
yeah,
that is...
personally, I'd say a candle close above 2020 because like that's a important level, I believe.
Yeah. Yep.
So I mean, like we can go up to like. Yeah, we can go. Wait, hold on a second because I don't have the chart right now. Yeah, like that's 2018 and still like be valid for shorts because there is just liquidity grab. But I believe that if we close above 2020, I mean there's no more liquidity there, so it's just an upside to fill all the like vector candles above.
Yep. I mean, it's clean traffic the whole way up because you got vectors to the left, exactly. The only thing that is a little odd is if you, I mean, I guess you watch ICT. I'm assuming from what you were talking about.
No.
Okay, I was going to say Judas swing is.
Yeah, no, I don't do that stuff. I don't do that stuff.
Well, by that, you would assume that it's going to take the Asia lows because we've already taken the Asia highs. We're coming up to take them a little bit again, and then you would assume that it's going to take the Asia lows if you go by the Judas swing thoughts. That's Flow trades a lot of that. That's why I was talking about.
Oh yeah, no. Personally, I'm not following this ICT. I don't really believe in it. I just like I use some concepts that I believe hold value. But like this whole chart as a whole, I don't think that's too viable. I'm just saying like in the 4 hour, there's like a vector there's an order block from Wednesday in the 1 hour. So like if we close above 2020, like I expect for this whole OB to get mitigated. And then there's like literally nothing stopping us from the order block from Tuesday, which is at 2040. So like if we just close above 2020, which is a relative level, according to my analysis, let's say, there's nothing stopping us to go up there.
Yep, makes sense. Like I said, I expect a top wick on this candle, which we got. So I mean, does it go up? I'd like to see this level broke, grab support, basically a break, retest, continuation in order to go long, so I'm not long. Same thing goes here. I want a top wick on this candle before going short. Now, if we get down below here, I'm looking for a bottom wick on this candle, right? So then I'll be looking for shorts down this way. And again, we've got, with the exception of this price action that we just had here, which in a lot of concepts, this is a rising wedge or channel or whatever. But come down and grab this wick. I'd be looking for that. You break this channel, obviously you got liquidity below, and you should run down here. We've got a hour candle here that still needs a bottom wick on it. So I would expect that we could test that area if we come back down and break below here. But again, for me, I'm not looking at anything right now because we haven't did nothing, right? I did check NQ.
Right now,
Mr. Y? Yeah, NQ's moving.
Right now it's a bad time to trade gold. I'm just like, I have a long from like 3 days ago, so I don't see any reason why I should close it. Since it's vibed,
True.
Yeah, right now it's a bad time to trade. But like it can go either way. So like if it has a short, then I don't think that it's wise to close it just yet. So
NQ just broke up here, Mr. Y, but we're still looking for me. Again, we're looking for some closures, some actual, you know. I mean, essentially all we did was come up and test that structure currently.
Nice. I took a trade I entered at 60. And then when I saw that red candle start forming, the red the red hammer, whatever it's called, I don't know. I started forming. I put my stop loss in profit, and then thank God I did broke, because look at the next candle, boom, dumped.
Yeah.
You know, if whoever took the trade, you're still in the trade, because I put the stop loss at 17,045. I just don't like going all the way down there. I don't like it, but that's where my stop loss was. Whoever took the trade.
The XY's on the way up.
What happened?
No, I'm just looking at Paul's thing there. Dixie's on the way up. Yeah.
I re-entered at 60
It's
again.
starting to reclaim a bit of power again. It was looking very, very, very unhealthy there for a long time.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
yes, I'm gonna leave now. I have a date, so
Okay.
Ooh, have fun
Good
with
luck,
that date.
Wolf.
Yeah, have a good
Thanks,
one,
guys,
Uncle
thanks.
Wolf. All right,
thanks,
bye.
thanks. Thank you guys, bye.
Bye.
Okay. What's going on?
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Money is break, chains go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mile, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet,
Oh, NQ is not moving. Oh my.
No, everything is super slow right now, Mr. Bio. I don't know why everything's so slow, but yes, sir, it is slow.
Is today a news day, or is there anything in particular coming out today that would be causing this?
There was news at 8:30 this morning. Let me go back into the
FOMC
trading chat.
at 11:30.
FOMC?
I keep forgetting about
11:30.
forgetting about the Forex factory.
Yeah, it's got unemployment claims are at 8:30. There's really FOMC red? Or is it just...
No, it's just...
Yeah, no, it's... So it probably won't do anything. But yeah, unemployment claims is this morning at 8:30, so... But I still didn't see a whole lot of movement, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't paying a ton of attention at 8:30, guys. Because I was trying to put the signals bot in another room, and I've got a lot of stuff that I'm doing, you know, behind the scenes, like I keep telling y'all, so I've had a lot going on, but, last time FOMC yellow shaked? Because Iran bombed Pakistan yesterday. Did they really, Burb, or are you just saying it?
That is true. Last time there was FOMC in yellow, it moved.
Oh, did it?
I remember that. Yeah, it did.
Did Iran really bomb Pakistan? You're just kidding, Burb. Maybe I don't keep up on the news very much.
Hard to believe.
Oh, you're pretty sure it's true? Okay. Mr. Y, did you get bombed? Oh, did Mr. Y? What? No way. You need to get out of there quick, Mr. Y. That's not cool at all. You need to run.
I don't think you can run from a bomb.
Oh, hey, man, poor, I didn't even know you were back. Carrying out deadly strike on Palestine. Oh my gosh. Are you close to any of that, Mr. Y? Don't say that, G-Flock. Hey, come on now. Although we probably could take shorts if that's what you're saying. If you can get enough people believing in that, we can take shorts. We'll make some money. Oh, that's sad, Burb. Not that far from you, Mr. Y? Jeez. Yeah, you're right about that, man, poor. I wish the market would start reacting so we can make some money. Took a small scalp on NQ for long and closed it now. Yeah, what'd it do? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got a big rejection candle down below, and we did come up and break that level, so it's not the worst idea in the world there. Not bad. Not bad at all. You should get your close above here. You should, if you said closed it, yeah. Because you should be getting a top wick here. So you want to make sure anybody that's in a position right now, you're going to have to live through this top wick. You got about 8 minutes. So price will come down, so I'm going to leave a top wick. Next candle will come in, and obviously you all know where you're going to be at for the next candle coming up. I assume we close above this area here. It's actually the hour close. Yeah. Still need a bottom wick on this candle, though. Is that on 32? Sorry, guys, I'm just talking to myself. Yeah, right there. Inverted hammer. Alright. Well, there's that. Manpour knows this. Manpour, used to sit and, live stream with me throughout the day in VC. He knows that I talk to myself a lot. I try to mute my mic so I don't do it so much here, but I do it.
I think everybody does that.
Yeah. Let's see.
I have
Might have
full blown conversations with my dogs, so like can't
Yeah.
say anything.
yeah. We might have a TRC indication on the 30 in gold. 30. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. And it rejected. Oh gosh, I'm a little concerned with that though. I mean, again, I'm a little concerned because this, I know you guys probably can't see that gray line there, but that's basically my median. I'll make it a little brighter just so you guys can see it, but that's essentially where we were rejecting before, and now we've kind of held that area. So it'd be nice to actually come down and push bearish under that and wait for a top wick up if anybody does want to try to take a sell off of that indicator there. At least we can hear what you were thinking. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, that's what the wife does. She sits over here and just listens to my mumbles and then trades and makes money, and then I'm trying to figure out why I didn't make any money off my mumbles. Yeah, I don't understand why it does that. My Discord just crashed, guys. Sorry about that. Let me get the screen back up.
Really?
Yep.
At least, wait, no. I said there's so much drawdown today, bro. Like, yo, every candle has insane drawdown. Each one, bro.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, anyways, what I was saying, I don't know how much of it you guys heard, but what I was saying, Main Porsche says at least we can hear what you were thinking. My wife does that. She'll sit here and she'll listen to what I say, and then she'll take positions, and she'll be like, oh, I made this much, I made that much, and she's like, well, it was from your trade, and wasn't my trade, because I never took it. I just think out loud. I guess I need to take all the trades that I think out loud on. And Mr. Bio, you never did answer me back. I don't understand what it was that you said to me in DMs.
I still don't even know.
Well,
Wait, what
you said
did I say?
You said infinite reset. That seems like...
We'll talk about that after stream.
Okay, I just don't get it. Never heard of such a thing. Okay, we can talk about that after stream.
I'm honestly probably gonna break even for today, man.
Well, that happens too, Mr. Bio. You can have break-even days. You have losing days. You have winning days. That's all part of the game.
Yep. It's 100% true. God, bro. It'd be magical for it to just shoot down right now, bro.
Why, are you short?
Yeah.
Are you short?
I entered short at 774.
Oh, okay.
17,074. That's right.
Well, I gotta tell you. Okay, think about this for a minute, right? If you're short now, if the price is going up, you gotta anticipate that you're still gonna open up and put on a bottom wick before price moves up. So that should give you an opportunity to at least get the TP before price moves up. So you should be good either way. Now, the flip side of that is it goes up and makes a top wick first. You got to live through that drawdown, but then you can anticipate the price going down more than likely. from where we are, because I kind of expect a fake out in this area. Not saying it's going to happen. Please, nobody trade by that. I just kind of expect that it's going to fake these highs and come back down. Just my thoughts. Again, don't trade by that. Just a thought I have.
I have no idea what just happened, bro, but I just made like $2,000.
There you go.
I have no idea what just happened, bro. I took that trade because I saw the doji and then the red candle form at 775. I entered 170474, bro, and I took that entire short. What?
Yeah.
And then I saw it was going to the 50 EMA, so I'm like, you know what, let me just hold it a little longer and drag my stop loss. Damn.
Well, that's a good top wick. I still think that 146. I don't
How
know.
many ticks is that? What the heck just happened?
114 for the whole wick. So I don't know where you were or weren't on it.
17075, and I got stopped out at 17050.
7.5, yeah. You were pretty close to the top.
How many?
Not all the way,
ticks
but
is that? Where's my ruler? Ruler. That is. I don't even know how many. It doesn't tell me how many ticks is that.
yeah, it does on TradingView.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does.
I'm not using TradingView.
Oh, well, I don't know how to do. Or Manpower knows how to do it on
Manpower.
on Ninja Trader. He showed me, and I remembered for a minute, and I forgot. So, Control F3. There you go. I forgot how to do it, and I don't. I do most of it on here, so it's not that big of a deal. But
Alright,
I can't ever remember all these commands. I have no idea how he remembers all these commands, but he's very good at remembering all of them somehow.
the ruler, but I'm using the ruler, but it's not doing anything. Like, it just tells me the bars. It tells me bar 4, Y value 27. I don't know, bro. Is that 27 points? The Y value says negative 27. So what's 27 times 4? 100 and something. That was 108 tick move.
Yeah, so here's your bottom wick that we were just speaking about. So now if you were still in it, because you got a closure here, you're going to at least get a bottom wick. Now it could continue to drive down, but even if you just get a bottom wick, you can be chasing it with a stop loss right now. See what I'm saying? And once it comes back up and flips, then you can anticipate it to go up and probably fill that wick.
Bro, check on gold. I think it's going down by time.
Ticks.
Time by time.
Yep, we rejected this area here. That's what I was telling you about. We reject this area. We put on a top wick here, so it looks much better to go down. Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so if I set the order now, it can be.
If you do what?
If I set the order, so I sell for short now.
Oh, you're going to short now? That's up to you. I wouldn't be shorting yet until... Well, let me see. Because I think we're just still stuck in this range. I mean, yeah, you could go down to the bottom of the range there. If you're just shorting down to about here, but essentially you're going to catch support probably down here. For me, I'm looking to get down and actually break these levels down here to put a bottom wick on here. I mean, if you're, I thought you were already in a short.
Yes, I'm already in it, but I want to start another one. I sent you a screenshot of what I have, then you understand what I mean.
Okay, where's it at? You sent it to me.
Wait, I send it now on Discord. Wait.
Okay. Yeah, let me see what you're looking at.
Then you're gonna understand what I mean, bro. I'm a stress moment. Wait. Look. Wait. Check it out.
Okay, let's see where you're at. Oh geez.
Oh, it goes up. Oh jeez.
Oh geez. Let me look at spot.
It goes up.
Yeah, it could still go up because you're gonna put a top wick on here. I mean, it held the Asia high. Oh my gosh, you are into it, aren't you? 2-0. Okay, so you're.
Where you would you entry? I am there already.
Yeah, I see that. I mean, it's completely up to you how you want to do this, but I don't think I'd be putting any more orders in. You're pretty.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know what your risk tolerance is per se, but I mean, you're pretty invested already in this short. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Better wait. I wait better.
So I think I'd wait, and I'd wait for it to actually start playing your way, because as we sit here and talk about, you know, where it can go, there's still no guarantees, right? There's still no guarantees. I mean, my thoughts are this is a top wick for this candle. So essentially you're putting a top wick on now, you'll come down, you'll flip the lows and fill this range. That's my thoughts. But, you know, I don't full port a trade. I mean, it's just probability. There's variance in everything. There's nothing to say that we're definitely going down. That's just the thought process right now, right? So I don't think I'd get any more invested than you are unless you feel comfortable with your risk at this point, to where if you if you lose, it's not going to kill you. So yeah. Well, you said you were stressing, so I assume that that's not the case currently.
It will be fine. It will be fine, I think.
Okay.
Zero emotions. That's the best.
Yep. Zero emotions is best. You're absolutely right.
Oh, we're supposed to have no emotions, bro. I'm shaking. I'm kidding. Bro, I remember when I started, bro. I was shaking so much, bro. Like the whole thing was just shaking. Taka, 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 taka.
All right. Twitch, Kick, YouTube. Join the free Discord in the description. We're going to continue to live trade here in the Discord throughout the day. I'm going to go ahead and shut you guys down. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning.
Bye, everybody.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in